Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency market. Today we are going to read some news together. So let's dig in. As you can see, on Friday something really big is going to happen. 1.1 billion in Bitcoin options expire on Friday, and I think this is going to be a huge sell-off, guys. Okay, BTC bulls are looking at 300 million loss after last week's 11% correction. And as you can see on Bitcoin chart, I think on Friday we can see some sort of sell-off in the market because we are below 53k 54k area. When we have bad news in the market, for example on Friday, which is going to be tomorrow, and also we are below a potential resistance, I think this is going to be a reason for a huge sell-off in the market. Okay, I think in upcoming days Bitcoin price is going to hit somewhere around 44, 45, 46k area again. I think we are going to touch this level once more. In this video I am combining Bitcoin news and also Bitcoin technical analysis, and also I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin on-chain data. So when I want to check Bitcoin addresses, Bitcoin wallets with more than one Bitcoin, and if I want to zoom in, I will notice that these wallets are selling. Yesterday they were sellers in the market. Wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin, they were sellers in the market yesterday. You can see that they were selling, and this is actually this is not a good sign below the resistance. Okay, if I see buy pressure from these wallets below the resistance, it's going to be a sign that we are going to break above the resistance area. But right now you can see that they are selling in the market, and also wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, you can see that they are selling too. Wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin, sellers again, and 10,000 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything special. They are having fun. They are just 89%. Okay, they are not doing anything special. We have only 89 wallets with more than 10,000 Bitcoin. So as you can see, they are just doing nothing actually. But we have this setup. I think with this on-chain data, with this fundamental news, and also with this technical analysis view, I think we are going to see some sell-off in the market on Friday. Okay, and in upcoming days we are going to see some sell-off in the market. So don't get panicked if it happens. Let's check another news about Dogecoin. Dogecoin entered top 5 most searched Google News queries of 2021. And when we have some news like this, I will always take a look at chart. If we want to take a look at Dogecoin price, on 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are having a really strong resistance area on 18 cents. Okay, whenever we hit this level we have correction, and right now we are hitting this level continuously, and as long as we are below this level I am not going to buy Dogecoin. And also if you look really wisely, you will understand that we are having a ranged area on Dogecoin. The support, the potential support is 16 cents here. The potential resistance is somewhere around 18 cents, and price is just moving in the time. We might reach this level once more, and I think from this level we are going to see some bounces. Okay, and sometimes we have good news, but we are below resistance, and as long as we are below a potential resistance, I am not going to enter buy position. I am not going to buy. And don't forget that I was just forgetting about this. This video is not a financial advice. We are analyzing charts with educational purposes, and also we are reading news. You can use this video for your research, but this is not a financial advice. So right now I'm not going to buy because we are below a potential resistance, and as long as we are below this level I'm not going to enter buy position. I might enter buy position somewhere near 16 cents because it's going to be the bottom of ranged area, and also I might enter buy position after the breakout from this 18 cents. Here I will observe the market and I will enjoy this consolidation right now. Another good news is about, let me find it, Dogecoin killer, which is going to be Shiba Inu to start trading on Bitstamp. As you can see here, Bitstamp is longest standing cryptocurrency trading platform in the world, and deposit and withdrawals have already been opened with trading kicking off on December 9 at 8 a.m. UTC. Okay, Shiba is going to be listed on Bitstamp, and let's take a look at Shiba chart to see that this good news can actually do something with the price or not. So right now in Shiba, you can see that we are having a potential support area above the previous all-time high, somewhere around 30 to 36 is going to be a potential support area. And also we have some good news. I think we are going to see some bounces from this area to the upside. I think we are going to see Shiba on 60 again, okay, on the 60 area. And I can remember that I had the best analysis here that Shiba is going to fall down, and people started to mocking me, but it doesn't matter because they are in the something like 55% loss now, and they were just buying because some channels were telling them that Shiba is going to lose 1-0 tomorrow and 2 zeros on the next week, but it didn't happen actually. And always remember that in the cryptocurrency market, you need to buy the fear and sell the greed in order to make profit. Okay, so when the market is really greedy or extremely greedy, and people are talking about 5x, 10x, 100x, it's usually not gonna happen. Yesterday we had a good news on Celo, and today we are going to have another good news. And as you can see, Kike started to launch a blockchain project running on Celo. We are having another good news on Celo, and we can take a look at Celo chart, which I talked about yesterday. And this crypto right now is having some sort of uptrend channel from, yeah, something like this. In this cryptocurrency, the middle line is working as a strong support. If we see lower levels again, if we see somewhere around, for example, $3.2, this is going to be a perfect support for this cryptocurrency. And also we are having some sort of breakout from this bullish channel here, and yeah, we had this before, and right now the potential support is going to be 3.2, and I think after some pullbacks or some sort of consolidation from this area, we might hit higher levels again in this cryptocurrency because we have bunch of good news in this crypto. So I recommend you to put this cryptocurrency into your watch list and just observe the price, okay? And remember that this video is not a financial advice. And also we have another good news on Cardano. As you can see, Cardano sees 7% growth in unique addresses with more than 1 million currently stacking ADA. Okay, this is really huge for Cardano because price is moving down, but these addresses are growing. And as you can see, we are at the bottom of this uptrend channel. It's going to be a nice and perfect setup for buy position. I think we are going to see higher levels on ADA again. We might touch the bottom of this channel several of times because Bitcoin is bearish right now. I think something like this might happen in Cardano, but we are going to see some bounces because the good news are starting to come. And also you can check the volume. Let me change the color of my volume. Yeah, it's going to be better. And as you can see, the volume is increasing at the bottom of the channel. This is going to be really good for this cryptocurrency. I think we are going to see higher levels, and I think more news are going to come for Cardano. And also we have another good news on Ethereum blockchain. I'm really suspicious about Ethereum because I think Ethereum is going to surpass Bitcoin in this bullish cycle. You know, I think for Ethereum we are going to see higher levels, you know, I think Ethereum is going to be more bullish than Bitcoin. And as you can see, Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart had a really nice breakout from this trading range. You know, it was consolidating Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And right now we are having a breakout. We might have some pullbacks, but I think Ethereum is going to do way better in upcoming months because we have a lot of NFTs. I don't know, play to earn games, metaverses on Ethereum blockchain. So I think it's going to be pretty huge for Ethereum. We might see higher levels in this cryptocurrency. Another good news, NFT partnerships and protocol integrations boost Tezos. You know, yesterday I've talked about Tezos, and let's see what has happened in this cryptocurrency. Yeah, you can see the sell-off. Today it's 7% negative. I think there is going to be one potential support in Tezos chart, which is going to be $4.70. Okay, this is going to be really nice support. I think to enter some buy position somewhere around here. And yeah, this is going to be a really a strong support area for Tezos. It's going to be a nice trade for me because I'm going to enter buy position here and I'm going to exit my buy position after 30% of profit, and I'm just going to trade it. You know, I'm not going to for example invest on it or hold it. And I'm thinking of entering some buy position in this cryptocurrency. And this is everything about today. And don't forget that this video is not a financial advice, and we are analyzing charts and news for educational purposes. If you liked my content, I recommend you to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you later.